Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new day. This morning, my wife woke up so early, and then I woke up too. After my wife taking a shower, now she is preparing herself for work. She find a good clothes for her, and my daughter is still sleeping. She is so lazy. My wife comb her hair already, put some makeup, and give me a big smile before work. Now she is wearing her shoes, checking her phone, and after that, she leaving from the tiny room to the work. Immediately, my daughter wake up so quickly and rush to hug my wife, ask for some kisses from her mother, and say goodbye. And she come back to the room, continue her sleeping again. In the morning, not so busy traffic because it is at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I plant some vegetable in front of our room, and now I water them. It is a good exercise in the morning for me, and I asked my daughter to be my camera woman. She record the video for me while I'm watering the flowers. Now it is time to wake her up and prepare for her school. I tie her hair and ask her to take the shower quickly because it is almost the time, 7 a.m. Now she is finished her shower and she can find school dress by herself and wearing them. I am waiting for her to be ready. Now I continue to comb her hair, make sure the hair is looking good before she going to school. I'm not professional tie the hair, but I try my best on behalf of my wife. Being a father is like that, so it's not matter for me. Now she preparing her water bottle, filling water in the bottle, and she can do it herself. I am appreciate with her. Now she is wearing her school shoes by herself. This morning she can do the task, prepare herself by herself. I'm so happy. Now I change the clothes because I have to take her to school now. Okay, now we are ready, and I make sure I close the fan, the light, and close the door properly before leaving to my daughter's school, because we have to save. And now we arrive at a school, and the school bell is ringing. It means that it is time to study. Along the way back home, I stop and buy my breakfast, fried noodle with vegetable and egg. In the morning, it smells very good, and he prepare the noodle for me very well, so delicious. It is my breakfast, and also I separate half of it to keep for my daughter in the afternoon when she comes back from her school. So you will see in the next few minutes. It costs about $1.25 per box of this fried noodle. It is okay for me to afford that because we can eat for two people. Now I am going back to my room, and when I arrive the room, I open the curtain first to get some fresh air in the morning into the room. After that, I fold the blankets. It is so busy for me in the morning because I have to do many household tasks. But it is okay for me because it is my daily routine, my daily habits. So I don't feel tired with this. In fact, it is my exercise because when I do all these tasks, I get sweaty and I feel fresh in the morning. After that, I move the chair to the side wall and also the fan because I want to keep some space in the room for my daughter after school. When she come back, she can play and can review her lessons. Now I am cleaning the kitchen. It is not so dirty because last night my wife helped me to clean it already, and this morning I just clean a little bit more and collect all dirty dishes, cookers, spoons, knife, to put in the water temporarily. I will wash it later. This is our shoes shell. I create it by myself. Personal design, not professional. Now on the sofa is also many messy stuffs. I have to prepare them also to put the sofa free and clean for my daughter when she come back. She can sleep on that. I dry wet towels outside under the sunlight, and to make me more fresh in the morning, now I start steaming the water for my morning coffee. I prepare the morning coffee. Normally I put 3 spoons of coffee because it can wake me up full day. And also in the afternoon around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. I drink another cup of coffee, the same level. So I feel full energy in a full day. Now I continue to clean my desk. It is no dust because I just cleaned it yesterday. Now I finished cleaning the desk. I continue washing the dishes because I have to finish it before I clean myself and start my morning work. It is simple for me, even it is a small task, but I feel happy to do it because I stay at home and my wife is at work, so I try to help her as much as possible I could. Now I finish all the tasks. It is time for me to make myself fresh, cleaning myself after a busy morning. First, I brush my teeth because I want to get a good smell of my mouth. And after that, I take shower with shampoo so my hair smell good because I get sweat in the morning from doing the household tasks. After finish my shower, now I start my breakfast. As I told you previously, I bought a box of fried noodle with vegetable and egg, and now I separated two parts, half for my daughter in the afternoon and half for me now. In the morning, it is enough for me with this breakfast and a cup of coffee. I enjoy it very much. It is not expensive breakfast. It is not so delicious like other expensive breakfast, but for me it is enough, so delicious and enjoyable. For me alone, this breakfast and a cup of coffee could make me feel good and happy in the morning and also full day. After finish my breakfast, now I sit at my desk, finish my coffee and have some water, and I begin to check my YouTube channel, the one that you are watching this video. How many views and subscriber did I get today from yesterday? Now it is time for me to pick up my daughter from school back home. I change the clothes and then I leave our tiny room to her school. Now I arrive at my motor parking place. This parking place I have to pay every month, $10 every month. So it is okay for me. I can support it. Now I arrive at my daughter's school. There are some flowers in front of my daughter's classroom. Now it is time and she come to me with a big smile. I'm so happy when I saw her smile. Now we arrive back at the parking place and I still see my daughter have full energy. She always smile. Now we are going upstairs to our tiny room. My daughter play with me a lot along way to the room. Now we arrive our room. First, she opens the fan because she is tired and the weather in the afternoon also hot. She take off her shirt. Now she is eating the breakfast that I kept for her this morning, a part of my breakfast. It's almost time for my wife come back from work to have lunch with us in this afternoon. So I start cooking the rice. I wash the rice twice because I want to make sure that there is no dirt or little stones inside the rice. Now it is time for us to have lunch together. My wife so hungry and me also because I have a little breakfast this morning. Today my daughter eat a lot. She just finished the breakfast that I kept for her, and now she eats lunch with us one more time. We are so happy that she could eat a lot like this. After the lunch finish, my wife prepare herself to go back to work, and also she brings my daughters back to her English school this noon. So I stay home alone. I continue my work, checking my channel, and continue editing the videos. Thank you guys for watching this video.